So again, it's Martin, another video on here on that of the fear and greed index and how I use it to top the market, exit the market, get back in, and ride it like a rented mule. Anyway, all of this here is practically all July and a little bit of August, and this is where I started to really realize that things are getting a little toppy here. So especially that when my SQQ is activated, and of course the top of the market pretty darn close to the top. I don't think I pinned, I don't know, I can't remember if I pinpointed the exact top, but it was pretty darn close. And then of course my sell off, top, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, and that was into that of August the 1st. So you can see this here on that of the fear and greed index, exactly where I did this. And this was all in this area here. Let me look at the date here to be exact. It is that of the 24th. So this is the 25th. So I started selling off here. Selling off, selling off, selling off. Looks like the 25th was the top. Selling off, selling off, selling off, selling off, right down to that of August the 1st. Right? So that's all of this. And I pretty much well nailed all of that. Now, going to the tipsy-turvy land of that of August 2025. So as you can see right there, I haven't updated it to this date. Today is the 22nd of August 2025. I'm going to get that exact. But it is on a hold, buy, hold, and I bought some more today. So, of course, I'll show you all of that. But here, these are determining factors, huge determining factors. Today it went from that. Yesterday it was 53. Today is 61. So it's gone from way back here, pushed back upwards. So it's pushing upwards again. And again, once more, you can see all this from over here, right? All that there. And of course, the numbers, right? 55. It beat out this last number. It's going to push up again. So I do believe that Monday, if the world goes good over the weekend, this number here will probably be that of a 65. That's what I think. But if it doesn't happen that way, then it will go back down to probably 60 or so. Just don't really know, right? It all depends on what happens during the weekend. Weekends are huge contributing factors to what happens in the stock market. That's why I've always found that. So, anyway, this was the bottom. Once more, August 1st. I sell off, right? And not all of them, but the majority of them from that of April, I've sold off. And a lot of people say, oh, why don't you just hold it? Why don't you just hold it? Yeah, okay, just hold it. And then next thing you know, when you wake up, I do know August 1st date, but sometimes when you wake up certain days, the market's not here. It's like down here. And you're just taking it right on the lip. So I've learned enough to know that, don't do that. If you've already made lots of profit and you're going to get out. Keep the ones that are still in the green. And don't let this go happen to you because you're going to lose a lot. So I just learned from that, from previous experiences. As soon as you get that greedy feeling, that's when you get out. That's what I always found. As soon as you find that greedy feeling getting to you, it's like, okay, time to go. And sure enough, I was right. So, of course, now you start adding more stocks. You wait, add more stocks. Up we go again, right? So, of course, this is a huge contributing factor right here. You can see this all on here. Right? See all that. I haven't updated it, but you can see that. And again, same thing here. Very top, 24. 24, where are we? 24, 25. That's your top. Start selling off, selling off, selling off, selling off, selling off, selling off. Sold. And I just everything that was in the red, but everything I bought from the like April, May, I got rid of high profits, and all the ones that are still green, I still kept and running it out. And of course, you just gotta wait for all this to turn. Not do a nosedive. You have to wait for all this turn. It's slowly starting to turn. Right? And once more, same here. Exact same thing. Sell, 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 sell. Hold. Buy, 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 buy. Right there, same contributing factor. So, you get the hang of this, and you also get to know the numbers. You get to know if this goes down, what's the next number going down?